just to show you, look at it here. This is a combination where we have our two key moving averages coming closer, coming together. Now, you may doubt it. It's up to you. But the thing is, I'm ready to bet on this setup because if you remember, this is our the best setup, right? So this is the best setup. See, when these two are together, when these two are in combination, when these two have tested by the price in an uptrend, this is the time you must not doubt it. Agar, yes, this is the time, because the thing is that you have the right knowledge, but to get experienced with the knowledge, you need to be able to implement it well. This is an area when whole world is fearful. Yes, whole world is doubting. And this is the time when it is coming to your setup. Yes, it has came to your zone. You must not doubt it. Right? So the first point to be taken from the market is that we have reached in the support zone. This is something which I have been telling you when it was here. This is not the first time you're hearing this, but this is something I have been telling you from a long time. This is the ultimate zone, and just to show you, if you look at it from the top, जिन्हों को invest करना है, pick up the right quality stocks, look at the right area, and just go for the investments, right? You won't get a better opportunity than this to get invested. Now your benchmark index is down by 11%. Can you see this here? When else you are looking to deploy money? When it is up by 11% or when it is down by 11? So in my sense, this is the best time. I am deploying all my planned investments here. I would also recommend you the same, following your risk management. Now, FIIs or DIIs, we are not a data expert, but things get changed very quickly. We are not trading the data, either be it FII, be it OI, any I, right? We just trade on the price action, right? So yes, madam. Now this is the time. Now, if you remember the last time when we met and we discussed a few stocks, yes. So we'll quickly go through the stocks which we planned. Let me open the first account, our main account here. Yeah, don't look at my password, please. Here. So if you just look at it here, these are the stocks which we planned. And if you see, Vedanta itself today is 4% up. See, Nifty, if you look at it as a benchmark index, Nifty is down, right? VIX is up around, now it jumped up, right? Back to 4.5. Looking at the Nifty is just 56. Today, market has almost made the bottom. You can mark my words. This may sound contradictory. This may sound first time you're hearing, but yes, market almost made the bottom. Even if it goes sideways, it can only go sideways. Yes, Vivek ji. But yes, it made a bottom, sir. So with that being said, this today is the time of 18th November when you must buy your planned stocks. And we already discussed all these stocks. You can refer the previous live class recording where we discussed about the Vedanta, we discussed about the PFC, Grasim was there, at bottom is made. Let's discuss about the Nifty a lot. Usually, how bottoms are made, first is that you will get an exhaustion candle, right? And after exhaustion candle, usually two things happen. Either it could be a V-shaped recovery, or if not a V-shaped recovery, you will see it going sideways first and then a recovery. Now, which path market is going to choose, I don't know. But there are only two ways which happens. Like suppose this is a fall. There is the first thing kind of recoveries are the V-shaped recoveries like this. So since it fallen like this, the good way is this is a V-shaped recovery. This is one probability. Another type of probability is it fallen, it made an exhaustion candle and goes sideways, zigzag, zigzag, zigzag like this, little up, little down like this. And then after consolidation, it breaks and goes up. Now, which path market is going to choose, I don't know. But within a day or two, we'll get to know. Because if it has to create a base, we will see it being sideways. If it's going to break, we'll see the sharp recoveries here. But Even if market stabilizes, it's a positive. If even if it's not falling, it's a positive. So your stocks will start moving up. Since we are primarily swing stocks traders, so for us there is absolutely no problem. We will see fast our stocks doing well. Any question into this regard? So for all the stocks, since you see Nalco today is 8% up. See, even if Nifty has not started recovering, but your stock started doing well. Now, if I ask you, can you buy Nalco looking at the PAT framework? I'm not going to explain whole, just a keyword. Looking at the PAT framework, is it qualifying your buying criteria? Yes, yes, it will split and it will be almost priced around 650. That's why. It will be split into 5 businesses and will be priced around 650. Yes, you can buy it now. Now also you can buy. Just that since it is already 4% up, you can buy 50% today, 50% if you get any dip, so that we have that leeway to buy at the cheaper price. Although my average price is quite high, around 455 on the portfolio. So you're getting at the lower prices only. So any question in regards to the stocks we are holding? So coming back to the Nifty, let's discuss quickly about the Nifty again. Why I'm saying that it can make it possibly has made a bottom is the reason you already know. The two moving averages are favorite ones. Whenever the price is there, it comes to our moving average zone. We would love to be wrong here, but will not miss the opportunity. Second thing here is that it is also coinciding with the it is also coinciding with the MS1. So there are two things together into the Nifty. So fall, then a bottom, and then there should be a rise. So I think to the portfolio people, if you were worried about the indices, it's almost done. It's almost done. The fall is almost done. There's a very famous saying in the Wall Street that buy the fear and sell the greed. Remember that time in COVID when people bought the fear? This is again the time when you can buy the fear here. रामलोचन जी बिल्कुल वेदांता बाय कर सकते हैं सर आप. Now let's quickly have a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is back to 200 on a daily. Now whatever dip comes around 50,000, you must buy it. Now अगर आप यहाँ पे सोच रहे हैं कि आपको ऑप्शन खरीद के बेनिफिट मिलेगा, it's a wrong way to do it. Why I'm saying this is because if you look at the India VIX, it is 6% up. So there are two ways. Either you buy future, or you, even if you suppose this Nifty reached to the 200. For example, you want to put your money in all the safest instrument. Better you go with the junior Bs. This is the Nifty's ETF, junior Bs. You see, जिन्हों को safe instruments में रखना है, this is the option, junior Bs. If Nifty recovers, and definitely it's a benchmark index, it should recover. You see, this has fallen almost 14%. You have this much leeway. So if you're looking for the yes, Basanji, that's what I'm explaining. एक है junior Bs or you can also look at Nifty Bs. Nippon India Nifty Bs. This already made a bottom on Friday, when Thursday. This you can look to buy. Whatever suits you, like you know yourself better, your risk management, your finances, your like overhead responsibilities, how much risk you can take, how much risk you cannot take, whether you need to be safe or you can have some risk exposure. Depending on your comfort, you can choose the instrument. But at least for now, yeah, Nifty Bs is junior Bs is also attractive. But do not go with the options hustle tussle. Don't. It fallen almost 13 right now from the top at the and do not buy everything in one go. It is almost 11. Buy 50% now, buy 50% tomorrow. Have the leeway. ऐसा तो आप चाहे तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ डिजाइन योर ट्रेडिंग, कहाँ से आपको पैसिव इनकम भी आएगी, पीस ऑफ माइंड के साथ भी आएगी, And it should be consistent also, so that you don't have to watch the screen all day long. You don't get stressed. You don't get frustrated. Pick the right quality stocks so that you get dividends based on the PAT framework, obviously. And try to make passive income which can at least match your active income. Suppose you're making a lakh of rupees a month or two. First target of investment should be that I should make a lakh or 2 lakh rupees as my passive income through my stocks portfolio from the market. Then suppose if you're making 10 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees, you can put 2, 3 lakh rupees in the options and try it out for a month or so, like for a quarter or so, so that you see, okay, out of 2, 3 lakh rupees, how much I'm making? Am I making 5, 6 lakh? Or did I? But anyway, that amount is not going to impact your overall profitability a lot. And that is a part of your profit only. You're not putting your heart into this. You're making money on the other side. That's how this only the way to do the professional trading. Now, can we check once the 24,000 call charts bottom? Yeah, we can check, but we won't enter immediately today. Since open is high, I won't enter today. Let's wait for tomorrow. Or it should be a green day, then tomorrow we'll do it. We will make out, no worries, 50, 60 points on any good day. So that way would like you to look at the market, where you only spend some 30 minutes a day. There is no long screen time, a consistent profitability, and everything is as per you. You understand everything, and you're trading based on the risk management with the right trading psychology and using the PAT framework, which is the price action trading framework. So that you are very successful from this front. Live life, have other businesses, have other jobs or whatever you do, and side by side make money also from market. If you are a full-time trader, suppose you can give more time, that's good. Then we have other options also, right? So coming back to this Nifty Bank. Now, Nifty Bank, if you